So within the Monitor ERP system, there are a number of different ways that we can access information and data in the system to support us and help us in making business decisions on an ongoing basis. Um, so, how can we access that information? As an example, so across the top here, these are all of our different modules. First off is our manufacturing module, then our purchasing module, our sales module, our stock module, time recording, and accounting. Within each module is our different functionalities relating to that um, operational division. So here we're looking at manufacturing related information. So we see parts related information, functionality, BOM and routing, configuration, calculations, orders, reporting. Under reporting, then we see all different sorts of reports that we can run in order to view information and have it easily accessible to us. Now, we also have it's an additional module, and it's called Monitor Agent. And basically what Monitor Agent does is it's your workflow automation tool. And any of these reports that are available in Monitor, we can use Monitor Agent to schedule and automate to have, let's say, a PDF report or a PDF version of any particular report to be sent out on a schedule on a time schedule, whichever is determined to be appropriate. So yeah, there's many ways that we can access this information. So let's say, as an example, we want to look at our invoicing log, and we want to see, okay, who are my top revenue generating customers that we've invoiced over a certain period of time. I've just ran everything that's in my demo database to bring up a list of customers, but here we can see customer name and the amount that they were invoiced for and the invoice date. And I can easily filter this so that it shows me the top revenue generating customers at the top of the list. And then again, you can manually export that by Excel, Excel raw data, CSV, PFD, Word files, any format that will be useful, or use the Monitor Agent and have it sent out via PDF in your email box automatically. This dashboard that you see here, or desktop, is live data. So we have a number of different elements that we have configured to view on the desktop, depending on the user and what information the user, maybe depending on their operational division that they're in, they want to see different information on their desktop. So right now we see loading information relating to work machines on a shop floor, so that we can view during this week the capacity, total capacity that's booked. So it doesn't look like this machine is set up with any capacity, but if we look here, example, we see in week 9, this machine has 80 hours of capacity, a total of 40 hours is booked so far, as an example. Live data, live information. This is set up here in our settings, and we can configure whatever it is that we want to put on the desktop. I don't have any templates set up at the moment, so that doesn't work. Can I use empty? No. So we'll use this one, the on, and we have our options of of information that we can drag on and use to have available. And then we can dig into the elements of this data clip and set it up how we want to see it and what information and data we want to have present. And then when that's on the desktop and live, then I'll have to restart my desktop to have that new element show up. But as an example, order inflow, this dial is live data. So if I double click on that, now I'm coming into our business intelligence tool for sales, and I can see a live map representation of sales that have taken place for around the world. And I can click on the actual map to see sales statistics come up relating to the specific region I'm interested in viewing. And if there's a specific customer that I want to look at and see what it is that they have ordered, I can actually drill down to that level as well to see more information. This data is also exportable in whichever common format you'd like to view it in. And that's another way of accessing data for management analytical purposes. Same thing in our stock module. We have stock valuation reports, stock value between warehouses, work in progress inventory values, stock count difference reports, report journals, all kinds of reports. So by default in the monitor system, there's over 1,000 reports that are available to our users. It's just a matter of when we're setting the system up, setting up the reports depending on what the user is most commonly going to be interested in viewing and using. So I hope that helps to sort of describe a little more about the analytical capabilities of the system, the reporting capabilities of the monitor system. We can spend obviously a lot more time going into greater detail, but this gives you a high-level overview of what the possibilities are.